Hi, I'm Bonnie from Birds Renovations, and these soft Roman blinds behind me might be one of my favourite features in this renovation. They combine the softness and the elegance of a curtain with that practicality of a blind. Made from a sheer curtain fabric rather than a traditional blind fabric, they bring beautiful sense of warmth, texture and sophistication to each space. What makes these soft Romans so special is their simplicity. There are no battens, no bulk and no stiffness. When lowered, the fabric falls as one clean, uninterrupted panel, creating a soft and seamless look at the window. Then, when raised, it gathers into beautiful soft folds that add another layer of texture and detail. The sheer fabric filters natural light beautifully. It creates this gorgeous diffused glow, but still providing privacy. It's a perfect balance of function and style, creating that really beautiful, relaxed feeling in this home, which is what we wanted. Soft Roman blinds are a timeless choice that brings softness, elegance and practicality to every room. Plus, what I love about DIYblinds is they make the whole process really simple. There are free samples, plus design advice if you need help choosing, especially for those more custom pieces like Roman blinds. And installation could not be easier. Once the brackets go up, the blinds just click into position. If you're renovating or even just refreshing your home, DIYblinds is an easy and affordable way to do it. Jump online and check them out.